Okay, this is part 3 of the actual 997 Mark II service checks I was doing. The customer approved me to do some of the work, so I'm going to show you what I'm doing. I've done the air filters already, like I showed before. See in there how the massive difference, alright? And what I'm doing now, I finished doing the actual hose. There you go, it's all done. I showed on the video part 2. But what I've done, I've put a pressure tester here, pump it up to about 19, 20 psi around there. And I'm going to leave this car overnight tonight. Leave that on it overnight, because if something will go, if this is leaking, if that will, sorry, let me rephrase that. If that was gonna leak, it will show up tomorrow when I come back from. I'm gonna have a look in the morning. But that's not leaking at the moment. Still holding pressure. That's still holding pressure. The clip's still there. The clip's still on there. So that's where I am now. All right. It's holding pressure. Nothing's leaking. So tomorrow, when I do cooling system, any part of the cooling system that I replace, I always put the pressure tester on it and leave it overnight. If I come tomorrow, there's no leak from there. I mean, the pressure will drop because it will leak from the seal there, because it's only a tool. I will drop, but if I come tomorrow, there's no leak there. That means it's good to go. Then I will finish putting everything back together, and I'll do the AC bacteria clean on this 997, and then I'll go from there. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.